Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study for the SAT. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, which includes reading and writing and math sections. The entire test takes approximately 3 hours and 15 minutes. Next, take a full-length diagnostic practice test. This initial assessment, ideally an official College Board test, will provide a baseline score and highlight your current proficiency across all sections. This crucial first step helps you understand where to focus your efforts. Now, let's develop a personalized study plan. Begin by setting a realistic target score and selecting a test date that allows ample preparation time, typically 2 to 3 months. Next, allocate dedicated study time each week. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 3 to 5 hours of focused study across several days. Break down the vast content into smaller, manageable sections, focusing on 1 or 2 topics per session to avoid burnout and maximize retention. This structured approach ensures steady progress. With your plan in place, it's time to dive into content mastery and strategy. Utilize official SAT practice materials, as these are the most accurate representation of the actual exam. Focus on understanding specific question types, like evidence-based reading or algebra problems, and develop effective test-taking strategies for each. Crucially, review every incorrect answer. Understand why you made a mistake and how to approach similar questions differently next time. This active learning is vital for improvement. As test day approaches, it's time to finalize your preparation. Take several timed full-length practice tests under simulated exam conditions, including breaks. This helps build stamina and reduces anxiety. Practice pacing yourself effectively for each section. For instance, aim for about 1 minute and 10 seconds per question in the math section. In the final days, focus on reviewing key concepts, formulas, and common grammar rules. Ensure you get adequate rest and maintain a positive mindset for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.